We've seen some pretty freaky stuff in nature, but you know what's even scarier than that? No, not killer whales eating sharks. Well, that was pretty scary. How about this? Did you see it? A jellyfish that looks like an alien sent to Earth to steal our brains. Okay, it's not actually stealing brains, but it does look like it's trying to suck the brain right out of your skull. Yeah, that's not a very appetizing thought. But wait, there's more. In 2020, researchers were stunned when they realized this jellyfish wasn't just a pretty spooky face. It had a beak. They confirmed it by doing what any self-respecting scientists would do. They stuck a camera down its throat. Yeah, that sounds totally normal. Anyway, they discovered a beak hidden deep inside its bell. So how do you suck brains without a beak? Well, you use suction. The space between the brain sucker and the rest of the jellyfish is filled with water. When the jellyfish contracts its bell, it sucks up the water, creating a vacuum. This pulls whatever it's attached to directly into its mouth. The thing is, though, this jellyfish has no teeth. It basically sucks everything into its stomach hole. So why bother with the fake beak if it doesn't use it for eating? Well, it seems like it might use it for finding food. Jellyfish can sense chemical traces in the water, but it's probably easier to find a nice big brain if you have something to grab onto. Plus, the suckers themselves are lined with tiny cells that detect chemicals and send signals to the jellyfish. With the help of its beak tentacles, this alien-looking creature finds, captures, and sucks its brain food. Honestly, it's kind of genius, especially since it didn't evolve this way. Originally, this jellyfish didn't have a beak at all. Scientists think that some of its ancestors ate creatures that lived near the ocean floor, like sea cucumbers. Over time, those ancestors gained beaks. Then about 650 million years ago, something strange happened. An ancient gene started acting weird. Instead of doing its normal job, the gene started controlling tentacle development, turning what used to be a simple sensory organ into a tool for locating delicious brain snacks. But even though the brain sucker changed a lot, it kept one key feature: the suckers. They are still used for sensing chemicals, which probably helped our brave little squid find a new home in the brain. Food vacuums are nothing new. Lots of animals use them, including humans. You'd be surprised how many parts of your body use suction. Your lips, for example, suck food into your mouth. You even suck air into your lungs every time you breathe. So even though we might not have beaked tentacles, we owe a lot to the humble vacuum. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll get sick of chewing food and decide it's easier just to slurp it down. If that happens, we can thank the brain-eating jellyfish for showing the way. It's amazing to see how evolution works, isn't it? By studying how one creature became a brain-eating machine, we learn more about how all life on Earth works. And who knows? Maybe we'll even find a way to make brain-sucking beaks work for good. After all, technology moves fast. Maybe one day we'll have brain-powered phones or robot arms that can slurp up space debris. If you'd rather stick to solid food, though, we won't blame you. Just take a deep breath before you dig in, because there's a chance some brain-hungry jellyfish could be lurking in your chow. It's enough to make you lose your appetite. Hey, did you know there's a secret second channel where I share the coolest space photos and videos I find throughout the week? It's my way of saying thanks to all the awesome people who support this channel. If you want to join in on the fun, check out the link below. Who knows, you might just find your next favorite space video.